this is question number 5. We have been given a triangle. This is given to you all in the question paper. And I need to draw this because I am here to explain this question. Okay, that's a good triangle. Now we are given the following naming. This is W, R, S and T. ST is 6 meters, WR is 11.2 meters, WT is 14.8 and WRS is 90 degrees. So this is actually 90. This is given as 14.8, right, and WR is 11.2, ST is 6. We are asked to find RS. Okay, now because this is 90 degrees, okay, the Pythagoras law is going to be WR squared positive RT squared is equal to WT squared. Now WR squared is 11.2 squared, RT squared is to be found, and WT squared is 14.8 squared. So RT squared is equal to 14.8 squared minus 11.2 squared. So that means you can use your calculator to find 14.8 square, that is 219.04 minus 11.2 square, that is 125.44. so 219.04 minus 125.44, that's going to be 93.6. so this is RT squared. So RT is equal to square root of this, so square root of 93.6, that is giving you a value of 9.67. okay, but we need RS. But what is RS? RS is actually from RT you take away ST, so that would be 9.67 minus 6. ST is 6, so this is going to give you 3.67. so this is the value of RS, so 3.67 M. okay, so now they are asking us to find the angle. Find the angle of RTW, right? RTW, we need this. So if you were to go back to the figure, let me draw this figure here. So this is WR 90, this is S and T, and this is 14.8 and 11.2. Now we need this angle. So if I were to take this as theta, now by the law of triangles, if I were to use sine theta is opposite side over hypotenuse side. So what is in the opposite side? 11.2. What is in the hypotenuse side? 14.8, and this is my sine theta. So again use the calculator. 11.2 divided by 14.8. This will give you 0.7568. 0.7568. 0.7568. So theta is equal to sine inverse of 0.7568. So what is that going to be? So let's go and operate the shift sine inverse of 0.7568. So that is equal to 49 degrees, approximately 49.18. You can take it as 0.2 degrees. Okay, that is the solution for this question.